Brain versus heart. Who wins? Let's see. Decision making. Endless battle. Daily struggles we all face. Food. Food. I'm so hungry. So let's eat something. Burger? No. Let's eat pizza. Yes. Oh, let's go for the salad because I'm on diet. Outfit. This one? No. This one? Oh, yes. Let's go for this one. This is so pretty. I'm so confused. Shopping. I just want to buy one thing, and in the shopping mall, you can see. Yeah, it happens. Morning time alarm. Time to work. Oh, I should wait for 5 more minutes. But after an hour? Oh no, I'm late. Now let's see planning and execution. When things are planned 1 week before and the person is informed 1 day before. So this is not possible to arrange the things. It's difficult to manage these things in given time. Subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel.